Most people get this wrong. They think Paytix is just another BNPL or payday advance app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that Paytix has evolved into a versatile financial platform offering early wage access, installment payments, and tools to monitor spending and manage budgets. Here's how Paytix works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is perfect for covering unexpected bills, urgent purchases, or emergencies. Second, you can split eligible purchases into small, manageable installments over several weeks with predictable, flat fees rather than traditional interest. This helps make budgeting easier and reduces financial stress. Paytix also provides dashboards, reminders, and notifications to track payments and spending. These features help prevent late fees and encourage responsible usage. The downside, overuse can be expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments add up quickly, and relying too heavily on Paytix might hide underlying financial issues. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only take advances or installment plans you can realistically repay. 2. Enable all notifications to stay on top of payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to avoid over-reliance. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or weak repayment habits could end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Paytix in 2026 is a useful financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest reviews and practical money tips.